Good morning. First one of the day is this gorgeous Harley. This is in for one of our new bike protection packages. This is a new client who has just recently acquired this. It's only got a few hundred miles on it, so it's still pretty new. Like I said, this is going to get one of our new bike protection packages, so we'll start off by giving it a proper snow foam safe wash, just to make sure to remove any contaminants before we do any polishing. Once it's washed, we will blow dry every nook and cranny, making sure to remove any moisture from the switch gears, etc. And then we'll crack on with some polishing. I will polish every single bit of chrome on this. We use the white diamond metal polish, which does leave a protective coating. We're going to do a two-stage machine polish on all the bodywork. Good old black shows every single mark, and I have noticed it's got a few scratches already. So we will do a two-stage machine polish on all the bodywork, and then we'll prep it all. I'm going to airbrush the Ultimaxx Signature Pro, which is a 5-year ceramic, on all the wheels, engine, frame, swing arm. All the lower half is going to get airbrushed with the Ultimaxx Signature Pro, and we will use the Ultimaxx Signature Quartz on all the bodywork. That is a self-healing ceramic, so it helps with any minor scratches. Yes, so that's done. And then, okay, now fully washed, decontaminated, and blow dried. Now in the studio for some serious polishing. Like I said, we're going to get all this chrome all polished up, and then we will crack on with the paint work. We're going to do a two-stage machine polish on all this body work, just to remove any imperfections. Yes, it is a new bike, and yes, they do have imperfections, especially this black shows every single mark. This isn't bad by any means, but see all those little scratches on there? This paint work on these modern bikes nowadays is so soft. All it takes is a rag with a little bit of dirt in it to mark it up. So yes, we're going to do a two-stage machine polish, and then we're going to treat it to the Ultimaxx Signature Quartz, which is a self-healing ceramic. Will help with any minor scratches like that. So next step, polish up all this chrome, and then we'll get the airbrush machine and start airbrushing the Ultimaxx Signature Pro on all the wheels, frame, and all the motor. Just having a look at these wheels, they're looking a little dull, so we're going to give these a little single stage polish before we apply any ceramic. Get a nice bit of depth back to them, bit of gloss. Okay, two-stage machine polish is now complete. This paintwork has come up a right treat. Look at that. Absolutely imperfection free. I also polished up these wheels. They were looking a little dull already, so we got a nice bit of gloss back to those, bit of depth. Now it's time to prep it all, and we're going to lay down the special sauce. There you go, 3.5 hours later, this Harley Breakout has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. This has had one of our full works packages, which includes a full dose of Ultimaxx ceramic. So if you've been following along, you've seen what we've been doing. This has had a full two-stage machine polish on all the bodywork, just to remove any imperfections. Polished up the wheels. All the lower half has been misted with the Ultimaxx Signature Pro 5-year ceramic. Everything's been airbrushed. All the lower half. We've prepped all the bodywork and treated that to the Ultimaxx Signature Quartz, which is a self-healing ceramic. Works really well on the black, helps with any minor scratches or spider webs. Look at the gloss on that. Absolutely gleaming. Get yours booked in now. We're open 6 days a week. Satisfaction always guaranteed. 07966 249 963.